Hey guys, what's going on? Back with another video, and today I'm doing a quick little unboxing of this package I got sent over from the guys over at Keysmart. I got sent this a while back. I haven't had the chance to do anything with it. I've wanted to do a video, but I'm gonna start with an unboxing, and we'll move forward from here. So, there we go. So, picked up this. They sent me 3 items. They sent me. They sent me. They sent me a bunch of items. Oh, wow. Okay, that is a lot of things that I did not expect them to send. All right, don't need that. So let's start with literally everything. So they sent me one of their main products here. This is the Keysmart with tiles, smart location. Never lose your keys again. So what this is it is a key organizer that makes it almost like a Swiss Army knife. Right? Each of your keys can come out. I did a video on a similar product to this a while ago, and I'll put it in the top right corner right there. And but this one is actually, they actually have a partnership with Tile. And if you don't know what Tile is the electronics company where if you lose your products, then it has a little sensor that you can use to find your product again. Right? So this comes with a rechargeable Keysmart. There's a port in here somewhere. Yeah, like in the middle there's the port that you can use to charge your Keysmart. It's expandable, nice. Has an LED flashlight. Oh, I didn't realize that. And wait, this one comes with a bottle opener? What the? Okay, nice. You know, this is for all the people who like me can lose their keys pretty easily. Compatible with both iPhone and Androids. This looks pretty legit. I can't wait to test it out and do a proper review on it. But before I open this one up, I'm gonna check out the rest of the stuff. They have all tool stuff as well. These are multi-tools. This one is the Wolf multi-tool, and it comes with, what does that say? Bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head, a flathead, and a box opener. All on this little tool. What the heck? Okay, yeah, I see it. This is the Phillips head, just flathead there, bottle opener. There's a bunch of stuff. So this is the Wolf, and I guess they have a bunch of other ones. This one is the Raptor. So this is 6 tools. It is a bottle opener, a wrench, a Phillips head, a flathead, a carabiner, and what is that? A steel cutter? Oh, okay, all right. This is the all-tool Owl. This one comes with bottle opener, wrench. What is that? A spoke? What is a spoke? Okay, and then a crowbar. All right. Oh, I almost dropped it. And then this is the all-tool Shark. You can clearly see it looks like a shark. Phillips head, flathead, wrench, and then a bottle opener. This one is the all-tool Bear. Comes with bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head, and flathead. And then this is the all-tool Dino. Bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head, flathead, and a letter opener. And then this is, what is this? Mag Connect, magnetic quick connect. What does this do? Oh, it just attaches and comes apart for like quick access to your keys and stuff like that. So I guess it can carry 3 pounds. Quickly connect your key accessories. Oh wow, this is a lot. I didn't expect them to send this much. I expected like 1 or 2 things, but dang. Huge shout out to Keysmart for sending me literally like their entire product line here. I'm gonna test out the Keysmart in a future upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. I was gonna just unbox one of them, but I'm like, you know what? I might as well unbox like each and every single one of them because there's so many different things, and it would give you guys a better chance to take a look at each and every single one of them. So I'm gonna start with the Mag Connect here. So if I cut that zip tie there, without cutting my finger off. Here we go. Oh, that wasn't even on camera, my bad. So this is the Mag Connect, and it's super simple. If the focus eventually ever pulls, it is so, there we go. It's so small, it's just a little bit, it's just a tiny little magnet, and oh, what? Okay, that actually requires a lot of force. Like, watch. It is hardly cooperating with me because the magnet is so strong. Yeah. And then, yeah, that is a crazy. If the focus ever pulls, camera, hello, there we go. It is tiny. What is this called again? Oh my gosh. It is the Mag Connect. And of course, all these items you can check out down in the description box below. I'll leave them down there for you guys. You know, just down there. All right, that's the first one. This is now the all-tool owl. Like I said, with the 4 tools on it, you can tell with the picture, kind of looks like an owl, right? So there we go. There's the owl. You can see it's just got like what this comes with: a spoke, bottle opener, wrench, and a crowbar. What? How? Crowbar? Okay, I see it. You can kind of like stick in there and then pry it. There's a spoke in the center here. That's really cool. This is the all tool owl from Keysmart right here. And then we've got the all tool wolf. The all tool wolf. It actually looks like a key here. Got what is that? Wrench, bottle opener, the plus sign, you know, Phillips, and then it's also got a flathead here. And what is this section? Oh, it's a box opener here. So you know, all those Amazon packages, you just, and then whoop, there you go. Here's your box opener. This one is the crazy one. This is the all tool Raptor here. 6 tools. That's that. This one comes with bottle opener. Again, like I said, wrench, Phillips head, flathead, carabiner, and it's steel cutter. So by default, it actually is closed, and then it opens. Oh, there's like clicks. So click. There's almost like a, and it clicks there. So it comes with the carabiner here, so you can attach it to stuff. There's your Phillips head. There's your bottle opener right here, so you can. Oh, it opened. Okay, so you got your bottle opener. You got your flathead screwdriver right there. If you see it, there you go. Yeah, you see it. The wire cutter. I get. Where's the wire cutter? Oh, right here. Sorry. I didn't even see that wire cutter. If you're like me and didn't pay attention to what it literally says in front of you, well, here you go. It literally says it. Wire cutter, right? So, oh, there's your wire cutter. There's a picture of a bottle for your bottle opener, screwdriver. Oh, and then there's a backside. There's a spoke. There's a bunch of. This is so neat. It's all these tools in just a little neat design. Here's Raptor. You know, the Raptor head opens its mouth, or you know, it opens it even more for some reason, for take a big bite out of crime. You know. And then, all right, that's the Raptor. My favorite animal, the shark. Snip. There's the shark. One of my favorite animals as a kid. This one comes with bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head, and a flathead. Fairly simple. There's your bottle opener, flathead right there, Phillips head, wrench here, wrench there, and wrench there. I guess, correct me if I'm wrong, but I guess that's 5.5 millimeter, 10 millimeter wrench, 8 millimeter wrench, and 7 millimeter wrench. And each of these actually has different sizes. The Raptor here, if you see it, 10 millimeter wrench, 8 millimeter wrench, 7, 5.5, and then a spoke there. And each of them has them on here. You look there, yeah, all of them have different sizes. Here's the dyno, which is freaking crazy looking here. Let me just not cut my finger, you know, I wouldn't want to do that in the video right now. There we go. This is the dyno here. It has got a bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head, flathead, and a letter opener. I'm assuming that this is the letter opener here. You jam it in the letter and just, you've got your wrenches here, 5 millimeter, 5.5, 7, and 10. Your bottle opener, your Phillips head screwdriver, and then where's your flathead? There's your flathead screwdriver right there. The fact that they fit this many tools into their designs, that's crazy. And yeah, I'm literally just gonna go through all of these and unbox it then. This is a longer video for you guys. Heck yeah. This is the bear. So it comes with bottle opener, wrench, Phillips head, and a flathead. So here's your bottle opener. On the foot, there's wrenches. I don't know how large that one is, but 10 millimeters, 8 millimeters, 7 millimeters, 5.5. There's your flathead, your Phillips. Like I said, the fact that they fit all these tools on here, if you take a look at basically every single one of them, the gang's all here. 6 different animals. And then let's move on to the big boy here. So this is the Keysmart with tile here. This one actually is an advanced version of their main product, which is the Keysmart, which is a key organizer. Like I said before, it's basically like a Swiss Army knife for your keys. It helps keep all of your keys organized. So let me open this up and slide that out, and I opened it up backwards. Okay, so you open up this way. Keysmart with tile smart locator. So they actually, ooh, this is really nice. Let's see what's in the box before we get to the product. You know, if I eventually can get this stuff out. Paperwork. Oh, please charge your Keysmart Pro before use. Right there, you know. Just making sure you charge it, because it's actually a piece of electronics, so you want to make sure it's charged. That's it. That's all that's in the box. But here, you got your cable here, and then we've got what you came here for, which is the actual Keysmart itself. And I guess it comes with a bottle opener, which is really cool too. Let's take a look at that. Like the bottle opener, Keysmart itself, and the tile, and I guess you can press this button to locate. Oh no, this is the flashlight button. So right here, if you see it, there's a little bit of a flashlight emblem right there, or a sun emblem. And I guess this right here, right there is the flashlight. I mean, it's not powered right now, so it's not gonna do anything. And then you attach each of your keys between each individual washer, and then it just slides in and slides out. So for example, right, you have your keys and then you just slide it out, plug it in, and then use your key like a normal key, except I'm using the bottle opener as a key for an example. But I will be doing an in-depth review of this product itself fairly soon, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching this video. I just want to say a huge thank you to Andy over at Keysmart for sending me all of these things. Let me bring these all back into the frame. Sending me literally every one of their products. Here we go. For sending me the Keysmart, the All-Tool Dino, the All-Tool Wolf here, Owl, Shark, Bear, Raptor, the Mag Connect. So thank you, Andy, and thank you Keysmart for sending me literally like almost their entire product line. I appreciate it a lot. I'm gonna be making a video reviewing the Keysmart tile itself in the near future. If you really want, I can test out all of these individual tools if you guys would like in a separate video as well. But for now, I'm at least going to be doing a review on this in the coming future. So until then, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.